Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make manicotti, an Italian dish, and they usually use shells and fill it up, but I'm making my own shells. I heated up a pan and I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil, any kind of oil. Then let that heat up a little bit. Now I'm adding 1 large onion, diced. Saute that until it's a little brown. Now I'm adding 6 cloves of garlic, minced. Again, saute this until it's really has a nice aroma. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. Now I'm adding 2½ cups of chopped canned tomatoes. And these are already diced, so it's easy. And 1 can of tomato paste, which is about 6 ounces. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and ½ a teaspoon of black pepper. Now you mix it all up. Now add 1½ cups of water. And there's your sauce. Now we're going to cover it and simmer this for 1 hour. Now I'm making the filling. 2 eggs, going to beat it up. 2 pounds of cottage cheese, small curd. You can use ricotta too, but it's this is cheaper and it tastes just as good. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, mix it all up. Now I'm making the manicotti. Pour in 6 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of flour. Mix it up. Add 1½ cups of water and mix it up good. And this is your batter. I'm now going to make the pancakes. I have this mini stove so you can see better what I'm doing. Now I'm heating up a 6-inch frying pan. And I have 3 tablespoons of butter, but I won't put it all, a little at a time. What I'm going to do is the batter's all mixed up. Now I'm putting in 1/3 cup of batter. I'm going to flip it over and then I'm going to put it on a rack. Now I'm assembling the manicotti. Now I put a pancake on a plate and a scoop of the filling and then roll it up. This recipe, you can also freeze it before you bake it and it keeps well. Now I'm going to put some sauce over it. And be sure to cover all the pancakes or it might burn. So this made about 12 pancakes or 12 manicottis. I'm spreading 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese all over. Now I'm putting this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. The manicotti's done. It looks so delicious and juicy. So I'm going to try it. It's so tender and juicy. I can taste all the cheeses and the spices in it. This will be great for a party, a potluck, or even your family. Everyone will enjoy it. So please try it and let me know how you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.